Hello everybody, welcome to Easy Street Pros. Thank you for joining us, and today we want to talk about adjectives and adverbs. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, a man walked his dog down the street. A tall, skinny man walked his short, fat dog down the street. These are examples of adjectives modifying a noun. Also, they are happily walking down the street. Happily is an adjective modifying the pronoun are. Other examples of adjectives modifying nouns: the fluffy cat curled up on the warm sofa. She wore a stunning dress to the elegant party. He solved the complex puzzle with his sharp mind. We walked through the quiet forest on a cold, crisp morning. His hilarious joke made the entire room laugh. And examples of adjectives modifying pronoun. That is something special. Special modifies the pronoun something. After the workout, I felt exhausted. Exhausted modifies the pronoun I. Of all the contestants, she was the most talented. The adjective talented modifies her. Everything seemed perfect. Perfect modifies the pronoun everything. These are adjectives that modify nouns or pronouns. And next we have adverbs. Adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, adverbs that describe a verb. The cat silently stalked its prey through the tall grass. Silently modifies stalked. She enthusiastically accepted the job offer. Enthusiastically describes accepted, the verb accepted. The old engine loudly sputtered. Loudly modifies sputtered. Adverbs that modify adjectives. The extremely hot coffee burned my tongue. Hot coffee, extremely, modifies hot. Extremely hot coffee. We were served a surprisingly affordable meal at the fancy restaurant. Surprisingly modifies affordable. The remarkably tall building dominated the skyline. Remarkably modifies tall, the adjective tall. Then we have adverbs that modify other adverbs. For example, the time passed incredibly quickly. She answered the question almost correctly. Almost modifies correctly. He drives extremely cautious in the snow. Extremely is an adverb that modifies cautious, the other adverb cautious. And there you have it. These are the role that adjectives and adverbs play in English. They bring color and life to our speech. Remember them and apply them wherever and whenever you can. Take care and have a nice day.